Hi there, I'm Philip Greer and welcome to my channel. Have you ever uploaded a video and realized that your file name was incorrect? And then it's too late. You gotta redo the entire video. You have to delete it from YouTube and start all over from scratch. Well, that's what I'm about to show you, is not only the importance of knowing when to make sure that file name is correct, but when to do it and how to do it just before you upload it. So here we go. All right. Now, let's start. I'm going to start right here where we're at. I'm already inside of my YouTube channel. Now, where I'm actually at is inside the channel, and then I clicked on content, and that's where we're at right here. Now, I'm going to bring up some samples to let you see the bad and the good. Now, let's click on an old one. And this is an old one. I saved it. This, when you forget, this is what YouTube will just automatically give that to you. If you forget, it'll just automatically give you a title. And you notice there's nothing here matching the title or the description. So it'll take a long while for it to be caught, if it does. Now, I'm going to get rid of that one. And now we're going to go to this one. Now, here's an example right here of a good one. The file name, urinary tract infections. It's also inside the thumbnail. You may not can read that, but if you would open it up, you would be able to see that. It would say drink away UTI, urinary tract infections. UTI is right here inside the file name. It's also up inside of here in your title. It's also right here in the first line of your description. It's there. That's what you need. All three of these all working together, all four of them. Now we'll close this one down. And we'll go to another one right here. See how this one is? Home remedy, using garlic for blood pressure and cholesterol. It's also in here in my thumbnail where it says 1 clove per day for lowering blood pressure and cholesterol. You see it's also right here in the title. And it's also, part of this is also in the first line of the description. It's got to be like that. Now, I'm going to open up another part of this to let you see something that you do need to see. Remember I was telling you about where at the very beginning of this video where you need to know when and how to do it? Well, this is it. Camera roll is my folder that I use to direct YouTube to upload the videos. So when I come in here, let's just pick this one right here, for instance. Or a matter of fact, let's see if we can find one. I've got several in here, I know. Just trying to find. Okay. Well, we're just going to use this one right here. Okay. Notice right here, Canva instructional final video. You need to make this title right here match what you want to make. This title right here. Now, this is not the one I would use, but you want to make this part match your title, the first line of description, as well as part of the description inside your thumbnail. this needs to match at least 2, if not 3, of the words in the title, description, and the thumbnail. It's got to. And this is where you do it at. Let's say, for instance, that you've already renamed it 2 or 3 times, but you've got to finalize it. You come in here and you right click on it and you click on rename. That's all you got to do. And then that's how you do it. But you do this after you have finalized the editing, you've got your final product ready. That's when you do it. So when you're saving it over here, this is where you make sure that your file name, and this is the file name, each one of these, this is a file, this is a file, and this is a file name. That final video needs to match all 3. And that's it. You do that and you'll never have a problem. But you got to keep making your notes as you change the video name from one process to another. That's it. And I hope I've got the point across to you now. I hope this video has been very educational as well as a little humorous. I just can't stress the importance of the file name because it's a lot of work to do a video, especially an instructional video. It's a lot of work to be done. And if you forget to make the file name match the title, the description, as well as the thumbnail, you're in for a lot of work to be redone, all because of that one mistake. Other than that, if you've enjoyed it, go ahead and subscribe and feel free to like it. Otherwise, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.